Okay, it's also very nice today on the 25th of July 2023. Here's Malmin Kauppatie, also has like 6 staircase A here. It's only the staircases B, C and F left to be filmed here. We have filmed the staircases D, E and G here.
You have filmed, but I have filmed on staircase G.
But I have also filmed staircases D and D.
Yeah.
And it was built in 2000 but finished in late 2000. Still late, because it says 1999 on the bunker.
Yeah.
Turned 20 years old in 2020 in December 70411. The capacity is 8 persons, supporting scenario crews. Try to channel.
Yeah.
Capacity is 8 persons, for 60 seconds. No, it's going to use. No.
No.
Should have been with 2 chimes.
Yeah.
And that was the basic basic setting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nobody's coming.
Yeah. Yes, beat by device, but maintained by Kone.
It will be expected next year, 2024. Yeah, this is here in Malmi, Helsinki Sports Schools in Malmi. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope we can get to the staircases B, C and F here. Later as well. I'll just show you.
That's